Hello, we are back with a new assignment and a little message from me. So you might notice that I am sitting outside in a tree, and that is because my kids are napping right now, and it's the best time for me to record a little message for you, but I need to be outside so I don't wake them up. So things are different for me, obviously, in this virtual learning situation. I'm sure it's different for you too. I hope that you're doing well, you're taking good care of yourself, and if you need anything, that you're reaching out. A funny thing happened yesterday, which is that a wasp flew into my house and I had to kill it. And when I killed it, I was like, oh, that reminds me of my classroom, which is kind of funny that killing a wasp is something that made me think of my classroom at Hillwood, but it did, and it made me miss you guys as well. So we're going to be doing some new stuff. I know we are all tired of exponential functions. We have seen enough of them recently, and doing new stuff will also make sure that you all stay on track when we do come back. And so we're going to look at some stuff that's also some ACT things that'll just connect with what we would be learning if we'd been in school, and we'll keep you on track for next year. We're going to do that with a Desmos activity and then with a Kahoot. And you know, you all often ask me, like, is this for a grade? And I'm always saying, oh, everything's for a grade. But you know, like, everything is not for a grade. And this, what we're about to do, is just definitely not for a grade. That's from the district. We're not doing anything that is for a grade. But I'm actually excited about that, because what it means is that you're doing it just to learn it with no pressure. So I hope that you feel good about that too. I hope you jump in and give it a try. It's going to be a new topic. And before you go any further, you might want to just go to desmos.com, click on Start Graphing, and then type in these two equations. So basically what you're going to be doing is figuring out how these two equations work. And you might notice there are some numbers written in pink. The main thing you're going to be looking at is what shape does this make and what happens with the numbers in pink. So if you want to jump onto desmos.com, type both of these in and just see what happens before you go to the actual Desmos activity with the code. That might just give you a sense of what we're doing. So I want you, as you're doing this, also to remember the goal is learning. So go back and forth in the Desmos, think about it. If you get something wrong in Kahoot, which, you know, you probably will. This is my first time trying to create something for you that you can do without me there. No big deal. Look at the answer choices, look at the one that is right, and see if you can figure it out. You don't have to create an account for Desmos, but I recommend that you do, because if you do make an account, then you can stop while you're in the middle of it, and it'll save your work. You don't even have to click save or anything. It'll just save it, and when you log back in, you can do it again. So if you want to FaceTime with a friend, you each, do your own Desmos, but you all can talk about it. You can take a little break, send me an email, ask me a question, I email you back, and you can pick back up. If you don't create an account, if you stop, you have to start over, or you just have to do it all at once. So you might want to create an account. We'll be doing a few Desmos activities as we go. Feel free to work with each other. Each please make your own, submit your own answers so that I can see that everyone's done it. And that's really all I have for you. I hope that you are doing well, that you reach out to me if you need me. I hope that getting to do some work and doing some learning without the pressure of grades is a good thing. And I really look forward to hearing from you. Bye.